falling. Lift your head up, let the sunlight in. This one's for you, where the healing began. Every step I take is a step toward the sun. Every breath I breathe said the battle's won. Mama told me softly, child, you gotta grow. Papa said the river always find its flow. So I'm walking forward, never looking back. Freedom in my soul, now nothing that I lack. Freedom in my soul, yeah, freedom in my soul. Rolling like the ocean, I be feeling whole. Every tear you cried was a river to the sea. Every fight you fought made you who you're gonna be. No more bowing down to the ones who bring you pain. Standing in the sunshine, dancing in the rain. Lion heart within you, roar it to the sky. Freedom is the answer when you wonder why. Freedom in my soul, freedom in my soul. Yeah, rolling like the ocean, I'll be feeling whole. Some say the fight ain't over, but I keep marching on. Closer to Mount Zion, closer to the over. Come on! Come on! Rise up like the summer sun. Nothing gonna stop us now. The victory's already won. Oh yeah. Sooner when the shadows try to steal your light, remember freedom lives in how you fight. Not with fist but with the steady open heart. That's the revolution, that's the brand new start. Children of the Most High, we were born to fly. Higher than the mountains, deeper than goodbye. Love is the currency, love is the core.